Hi, ChatGPT is an advanced conversational AI model based on generative pre-trained transformer. ChatGPT is capable of engaging in discussions, answering questions, and assisting with tasks. It is created by OpenAI in 2017. In this video, I'll show you how to set up an account, how to use ChatGPT, and how to write effective prompts. Let's get started. Head over to chat.openai.com on your browser, or if you are following from your smartphone, you could actually use the link in the description below to download the app from Play Store or Apple Store. And then basically when you visit the chat.open.ai.com, if you are not logged in, it actually will show you this interface where you need to sign up or log in. So for you to be authenticated to use ChatGPT, you have to click sign up. And then when you click on sign up, it will show you to continue with Google, continue with Microsoft account, or continue with Apple, or you could use an email address that you have access to. But basically, I already have an account, so I'll just continue with Google. So if you continue with Google, it actually asks you which account you want to continue with. So I will just click my account. It takes me into the dashboard. Now, this is the interface of ChatGPT. So it has two sections. So one section is where you get to type in your input or whatever it is you want ChatGPT to assist you with. And then this left-hand side actually contains the history of all of the tasks you've asked ChatGPT to assist you with. And then down here, you could see the profile, the settings, and I can customize ChatGPT. And then currently, this is ChatGPT 3.5. It is actually free, but ChatGPT 4.0 is a paid plan. So I'll go ahead and then ask ChatGPT to do something for me. I could say, please, I need a congratulatory message for a friend that got a new job, right? So ChatGPT will go ahead and then you see it has given me all of this message. So it's actually assisting me with a task right now. So I could say summarize. So probably I know my friend doesn't like too much talk. So I just say summarize. And then it takes it to 3 lines. You see, so there are tons of things you could do with ChatGPT. You can use it for research, you can use it for customer service, you can use it for creatives, stories, poems, script writing. You can actually use it to translate from one language to another, say for example English to German. And then the more accurate your commands or prompts are, the better the response. So commands and prompts are just same as what you ask ChatGPT to do. Let me show you how to ask ChatGPT for commands that can actually help you to get a better response. So I'll say, I have an assignment on creatives. What kind of commands can I ask you to create content? So basically, I'm asking ChatGPT to give me a clue on what kind of commands I can ask to get better response. So I will check through which one suits me. Maybe, for example, I wanted to write a short story. So I'll just say, let me just choose. Okay, write a narrative about a journey to a magical land. So I'll just paste, and then it will give me a response like you see, this is a story to a magical land, and then a lot of that. So you could actually copy it and then summarize just like I showed you just now. Then if you want to learn more about ChatGPT, you could visit Playground. So platform.openai.com/playground. You could visit the chat code and see how stuff works. So you could customize it and play around with how it works. So initially there were different models like text dev in C and all of that. But right now, as you could see here, the recent models are GPT 3.5 Turbo 16K. There is 3.5 Turbo 0125, and then by default is on 3.5 Turbo. So you could increase the temperature and increase the length of the words, and then you could play around with this interface to learn more about ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, like the video, click the subscribe button, and let me know what you think about ChatGPT in the comment section below.